Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome in this video. Today we're gonna discuss about the local and also the global variables. So what is the main difference between the local and also the global variables? How gonna define your local variables and what are the global variables? Whenever you pause the arguments while calling a particular function, so definitely you receive those particular arguments in a variable. So is the variable is the local or the global variables? We're gonna discuss each and everything in this video. So let's get started. If you talk about the scope of the variables, that means you can use the variables at any stage. So let's suppose you have a local variables, you also have the global variables, and also you have the static variables. So if you are saying that you are just creating a result which is the variable and you are saying 10, now create a functions. I'm saying y, give you a name, it's up to you. Now if I'm saying function working and using the result, as you can see, now call the y function. Okay, now go to the page, save the file, go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's saying undefined variable result, but function is working fine. So you cannot use the global variable inside your function. But if you use the result here, you can also do that after the function. As you can see, have to use the echo. Okay, guys, if you want to use this global variable inside your functions, then definitely you have to use the global keyword and type your variables. Now you can use the variable, which is the result. Now if you call the y, as you can see, it's giving you the value, it's not giving the error. So you can use the global variable inside your functions, but with the global keyword. If you're not using the global, then you cannot use the global variable inside your functions. Similarly, if you are defining the local variables like xyz, comma, xyz, comma, abc. So these are the three variables you are creating while creating the functions. Or so definitely once you create the functions, then you have to pass the argument. So you are sending the one value here, and also one value here. So if you are using xyz, yes, you can do that. You can also do that with the others. I'm saying ZZ. So this is the ZZ and this is the ABC. Go to the page, refresh the page. It's fine. But if you are calling these variables, local variables outside your functions here, like ZZ, you cannot do. Go to the page, refresh the page, it will give you that. Okay, guys, so these are the two basics concepts of the local and also the global variables in PHP. So I hope, guys, you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up, and thank you for